everyone, I'm Iskandar from Cloud Product Development team at HENNGE. So being a software engineer at HENNGE is exciting and challenging as I keep learning the state of the art of technologies every single day. So we have a lot of learning opportunities here at HENNGE, ranging from writing our daily code, reviewing our teammate work, attending conferences, taking online courses, certifications, and so on. Other than work-related tasks, we have also like work-related activities such as board game, D&D, and many more. So yeah, that's all from me. Good luck with the screening process. Bye.